Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So basically, the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches and you have no idea what to do. So you can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press two keys, basically the power key and the volume down key. I know that it is also the shortcut, the combination of the keys to make a screenshot, however just ignore it. Let's press the power button and the volume down button together and wait. We should see the black screen. As I said, just ignore it. We should see the black screen in around 10 seconds, I believe so, and then we will be able to feel the vibration, see the developer's logo, which simply means that our device will be restarted. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.